Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on South Avenue. We are on Constant Spring Road now, coming up to the intersection with South Avenue. So we're going to turn left onto South Avenue and go up to Waterloo Road. Okay, so we're now turning left onto South Avenue. Now, at this section you have a lot of plazas. On the right is Lane Plaza, and on the left is another plaza, but the name just slipped me. Southdale Plaza. Alright, so which Lane Plaza takes you into the Village Plaza, Mall Plaza, Tropical Plaza. That's a major shopping district right there. On the other side, you have Southdale Plaza, and that plaza was recently renovated. Now, this building is 20 South. This very nice building on the right. It was recently built, probably opened right before COVID. And it's a residential complex. And a new trend in Jamaica now is to name the buildings after the address. So the address of that location is 20 South Avenue, so they call it 20 South. It's a new trend in the naming of places now. Alright, so straight ahead is Waterloo Road. Turn left, you take Waterloo Road down to West Kings House Road. That's where you're going to find the Fontana Pharmacy, the Wendy's, that plaza. And if you turn right, you take Waterloo Road down to Trafalgar Road, and also the intersection with Hope Road. Basically, you turn right, you go down by Devon House. So we're going to turn right today and go into New Kingston, or go onto Waterloo Road and then Trafalgar Road. So we are now on Waterloo Road. Although that car a while ago made a legal turn, I mean, it shouldn't be, because this is such a busy road, and you notice 2 lanes of traffic had to stop for that car to go across the road. So that's one of the reasons why they have these concrete barricades, to prevent things like that from happening. Now, as far as I know, that was not illegal, what was that turn. There's no right turn sign or anything. So that's a legal turn. It's just, it impedes traffic. And especially during peak hour, in the mornings or in the evenings, when you turn like that, it really hampers the flow of traffic. So hopefully when this road is renovated, they put in those concrete barricades. Or they put in some sort of traffic light system. But it's not an illegal turn. The same way on Hope Road, when you come up by the Andrews Hospital, there is a turn that says no right turn, but it has, when you're coming down Hope Road from Lady Musgrave Road and right by the Andrews Memorial Hospital, there is a right turn. I think it's on to Devon Road. And they have a sign that says no right turn during certain hours, like in the morning, the peak hour in the morning, and the peak hour in the evening. Now, that's very interesting. Okay, before we get into that, we are now on Trafalgar Road. Now, at one time, the police officer in charge of traffic, Radcliffe Lewis, he said that he told his officers not to prosecute people for making that turn out during those hours or during the day, because he basically was saying it was fine to turn. But there is a sign there that's like, Mark, he's no longer in charge of traffic. It had nothing to do with that comment. It's just he retired. But they have a sign up that says no right turn. So basically, and it's right at there is a stoplight there. So the stoplight could easily control the flow of traffic. Alright, we know if we turn right, we go on to Haining Road. We turn left, we go on to Houghton Terrace. Go straight, we stay on Trafalgar Road. So sometimes these signs are up, and remember when these roads were done up, times change, traffic patterns change. So like the turn on Waterloo Road now, it should not be allowed. While you have a sign up, there's no sign that says you can't turn there. And then you have a sign that says you can't turn onto Devon Road from Hope Road. And the police are saying it's fine, it doesn't impede the traffic, it's fine. But that turn by Devon Road is at a traffic light. So it's much easier to control. So sometimes you just have to review these systems and upgrade them. Alright, we're now at the intersection with Trafalgar Road and Knutsford Boulevard. On the right is the Spanish Court Hotel, and on the left is the British High Commission. Alright, if we turn left at this intersection, we go on to Musgrave Avenue, and that will take us up to where you have the Cambridge Apartments. It's a new apartment complex being built. Turn right, you go on to Worthington Avenue, and that takes you down to Oxford Road. Actually, Worthington takes you on to Belmont, and then Belmont takes you on to Oxford Road. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Remember to also like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.